I tell her. You have to stay far, man, to catch the two of them. Yeah. Not there. Trailer side. Andy, the air dump on your trailer? The air dump on your trailer? You sure? You know what I'm saying? Your trailer here and dump. Yeah man, that's so then. I'm there ground though. I never make a bad choice when I go back and say I yellow. So that I blow. Go back. Go back. Alright.